Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Olja and today I unbox my new MacBook Pro 13 inches 2020. The new MacBook 2020 actually comes with the new Apple M1 chip. This means the new MacBook actually makes it much faster and more powerful. My MacBook is in the color Space Gray and it will be delivered with a charger and a power adapter. It also has a touch bar, Touch ID and touch trackpad. Just keep in mind, if you order any additional chargers or adapters or any accessories for your MacBook, it will be shipped in different packages. It means it won't be delivered at the same time. If you can see, it has two Thunderbolt USB 4 ports. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing and we see each other in my next video. Bye!